Okay, hi, welcome to the Valentia Kinection Project demo video. Valentia Technologies has just successfully completed the development of the new Valentia Connect project. The new utility has been specifically designed to assist in the join-in partners with the design and the development of any online games that will be used throughout the duration of the join-in project. This new utility has been developed specifically for exer games that will be designed by the join-in partners. The utility that we have developed will allow Carlo IT to achieve game development by collecting data from the Kinect device and publish this onto a web page. From here then, the join-in partners will then be able to use this data to connect and control with avatar motion in the exer games that have been developed. Basically, the purpose of this short video is just to give a quick demonstration on how to install the utility that has been developed and how it actually works. Alright, before you start the installation process, there's a couple of things that need to be in place before you can actually begin. So first of all, you'll need the latest Microsoft.NET framework in place. You'll also need the Kinect Beta 2 SDK. We recommend that you use the Safari browser, and finally then the Kinect Xbox 360 should be connected via USB key. Okay, so to begin the installation process, just double click on the zipped file that we've sent you. From here then you'll notice another small window opening up. Double click on the .msi file and basically join-in setup wizard will open. So just follow the wizard by selecting next. A default path location will open up, just leave it at that. Click next and then the installation will be confirmed, so just click on next. So you'll see the installation is taking place now, so this could take a couple of minutes to actually install. Just click yes. Okay, so once the installation has been completed successfully, close that window, and if we go down and browse our machine, we'll go to all programs. You can scroll down and you'll see that a new folder has been put in called Valentia Technologies. So click on that and then you'll see Valentia Connect Service Manager. So double click on that. Once you've activated that, the toolbar on the right hand corner you'll see a little red logo which says Valentia Join In UI Client Offline. So to activate that, just right click and start Connect Service. Once you've done that then, go back into the folder that said Valentia Technologies in here, and then we can see the join-in folder here. So if we go into sample and click on web client, automatically the new web interface will open up. So we just connect to that then. So once the connection has been established then we can see there's two tabs here, there's raw data and there's also a visual skeleton. So once motion is detected from the Xbox 360, all the data is actually pulled down into the raw data and the visual skeleton. So we'll just demonstrate that now.
Okay guys, now as everything has been installed and we have connected Kinetic device with the computer, and when you come in front of Kinetic, you will see that Kinetic will lock the body, and as you move, you can see data coming onto the web page. And there are two views at the web page. One is raw data and other is a visual skeleton view. So you can see that data coming from Kinetic device over the HTML5. So this page is basically using HTML5 socket functionality to publish data on the web page. What we have done is that we have developed a Windows service using Kinect Beta SDK 2. If we go to the services, so you can see a Valentia Kinetic service running here. So this service is developed using Kinetic SDK Beta 2. This service is directly connected with the Xbox 360 Kinetic device. It's getting data from the sensors and it's publishing that data onto the TCP/IP socket. Reason we have used TCP/IP socket is because then we can publish this data over the internet. Now, because we are using this example on a local computer, so what is happening that using HTML5, this web page is getting data from that local port and it's publishing onto the web page. So if we have a look on the Kinetic proxy service utility, there are a couple of options here. Start service, we can adjust Kinetic device, we can move it up down, we can see connectivity status, either service is connected or not, and we can also see the Kinetic device is connected or not. We can see notification history, and we can see the Kinetic proxy server setting the application. Here we can see a couple of things. If the Kinetic device connected, we can manage utility users and we can manage surface users, and there's also a few advanced options to configure ports and stuff like that. So if you want to use Kinection for your own applications, you can find help in Valentia Technologies join in project folder here. So there is a help. So if you click on the PDF document, you can see complete help on how to integrate it in your own applications. We have also a sample application. So if you go to the Valentia folder again, into the sample, there's a web client utility which we just showed you. So we can copy this path and go to Windows Explorer, and we can see here. So this is a complete example whereby you can see how to integrate and use data coming from Kinection onto your web page.
Guys, thanks for watching our Valentia Kinection project video. We hope you found it useful and beneficial. If anybody has any feedback or comments in how they think they could improve this project, please, don't hesitate to contact us. You can actually post comments and feedback on the connection.coplex.com website, or alternatively you can contact myself or Mubi directly on our Valentia contact details, which you all have. So thanks very much for watching.